Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Income Tax Return UK. Most people in the UK have their income tax automatically deducted through the Pay As You Earn or Pay system. However, if you're self-employed and earn over £1,000 or have other untaxed income like rental property earnings or significant investments, you'll likely need to complete a self-assessment tax return. Understanding these requirements is the first step to staying compliant and managing your finances effectively. Before you begin filing, gathering all your essential documents is crucial for a smooth process. Make sure you have your 10-digit unique taxpayer reference, or UTR, and your national insurance number readily available. You'll also need comprehensive records of all your income sources, including any P60 forms from employers, self-employment earnings, and investment statements. Don't forget to compile details of all allowable expenses and any pension or charity contributions, as these can impact your tax liability. Once your documents are organized, it's time to file. If you're new to self-assessment, you must register with HMRC by October 5th following the end of the tax year you need to file for. The most common method is filing online through your government gateway account, which offers convenience and a later deadline. Alternatively, you can submit a paper tax return, but be aware that this option has an earlier submission deadline, so plan accordingly to avoid penalties. Meeting deadlines is vital to avoid penalties. The online filing deadline for your self-assessment tax return is January 31st, and any tax owed is also due by this date. If you choose to file a paper return, the deadline is earlier, on October 31st. Remember to keep accurate records for at least 5 years. For more details on these deadlines and other helpful resources, check the description below. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals in the description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.